Hi everyone, Ironclad Cobra here, and welcome to another quick unboxing first impressions video. As you see here, I finally got my MSI CLAW A8. This is running the AMD Z2 Extreme chipset, and I've been waiting for a long time for a company to have this chipset. As you see on my channel, I have a couple of Windows handhelds from MSI and the ROG Ally. They have the Z1 Extreme chipset, and thank God MSI did the Z2. I have a feeling that this will be an endgame Windows device. I have a feeling that it will have a great performance. Of course, today's video is just an unboxing, quick impressions. Later in the next couple of days, I'll also make a couple of videos showcasing the software, gameplay as well. So before I start the unboxing with you, first let me say a huge thank you to MSI for having great logistics and shipping speed. I ordered this and I got it in 4 days to Germany, and I think this is very fast shipping. Another huge thanks to all my friends and family who contributed and got me this as an early birthday gift through GoFundMe, and I'm really lucky to have such generous and great family and friends. So let's start the unboxing together. As you see here, I got the white or the Polar Tempest edition, and the reason that I got the white because I also have the ROG Ally, which is white, so I just wanted to have almost the same color. And I think MSI will release the other colorways soon. I think they also have purple, blue, pink, and I think the lime green or the neon green is also available now, but I went with the white. So let's get it started. As you see here, I'm gonna show you the box, if there's any info here as well. This is of course the Z2 Extreme chipset. It's the 036 Polar Tempest, the white edition, and I think the 037 is the neon green. So as you see here, and then on this side the beautiful MSI logo as well. I love the dragon logo and the claw. On this side is just the company MSI CLAW A8 series. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay. I have a feeling, as I said, this will be an endgame Windows handheld. Therefore, I might not buy Windows handhelds for a while, because as you see, I have the MSI CLAW Ultra 7, now the A8, and I also have the ROG Ally, the Ally X as well. So I should be set. So before we look at the device, which is very beautiful, let's have a look what's included in the packaging or in the box. There is the charging brick. This is the European plug or the EU plug, as you see, and it's a USB-C as well, which is very good. We have the user's manual, as you see here. It's running Windows 11 Home, or it comes with pre-installed Windows 11. this is the quick guide. Okay, and I think that's pretty much what's in the box. If you would like to know a quick rundown of the specs of the device, of course this is the processor, or the chipset is the AMD Z2 Extreme. It has 24 gigs of RAM, LPDDR5X. The screen is beautiful 8-inch 1920 by 1200 resolution with 120 Hz refresh rate, which I think will be great for gaming. I personally believe my sweet spot for Windows gaming is 7-inch, but this is my first 8-inch handheld, and I'm quite excited of how well the games will run on an 8-inch display. Connectivity Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5, and as I said, this will be able to run, I think, flawless AAA games, as you see here. The device feels very, very premium. Great job, MSI. Of course, as you see here at the back, this is the back as well. I love the grips, they feel so modern gaming. Oh man, very, very good. I'm a huge fan of MSI's design. It has a huge 80-watt battery. As you see, these are the vents or active cooling, and I think, you know, 80-watt battery will give you around 5 to 6 hours of gameplay. The macro buttons here at the back, as you see here. Hall sensor analog sticks and triggers for precise gaming experience. I love the black face buttons as well. A bit clicky, but I don't mind clickiness. And as you see here, these are the front firing speakers. An extra, you know, rugged grip. As you see here. Let's have a look on what we have on top. We have also the exhaust ventilation here as well. We have the volume buttons, 3.5mm audio jack. We also have a micro SD card slot, and of course this comes with 1 terabyte SSD storage, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt for quick charging, and of course you also have a the you know, on and off button. It also has a fingerprint reader as well on it, and as I said, beautiful analog shoulder buttons and triggers. The triggers are whole stick triggers, as you see here. Amazing design job by MSI. Okay, at the bottom I think we have nothing here. So I am absolutely impressed. My first impressions are very positive with this beautiful Windows handheld. As I said, today is just a quick unboxing video. In the next couple of days, stay tuned to do some game testing and push the chipset to its potential. I'll also release another Windows guide or Windows handheld comparison to showcase my CLAW and my ROG Ally devices as well. but I think for today it's just a quick unboxing, first impressions. So that would be, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and always remember, we don't stop gaming because we grow old. We grow old because we stop gaming.